dancing in the dark, middle of the night, taking your heart and holding it tight. Emotional touch, touching my skin, and asking you to do what you've been doing all over again. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Don't think I can keep it all in. I just gotta let you know what it is that won't let me go. It's your love. It just does something to me. It sends a shock right through me. I can't get enough.
Angela, I stand here before you, ready to take you as my wife, my best friend, and my partner in crime. I vow to love and support you for the rest of our days. I vow to continuously fight for us, because no matter what lies ahead, I know that we can overcome it together. 5 years ago, when we met, I knew there was something special between us. It just took me a little bit of time to piece it together and really figure out what it truly was. And it came down to a mixture of things like laughter, understanding, happiness, respect, compromise, smiles, and just a couple of frowns. But at the same time, no matter what combination of things it was made of, it's exactly what I was searching for. And I can sleep soundly at night knowing it's coming from you, and only you, for the rest of our lives. My true promise and my true vow to you as your husband is to provide you with as much life to fill our years as I possibly can. I love you more than anything, and I will continue to show you that day in and day out until there are no more days.
And if you wonder about the spell I'm under, oh, it's
you have made me feel more loved than I ever thought possible. I know it's cliche to say God sent you to me, but that's how I truly feel. When we met, I was coming out of a dark place, and you showed me the light was closer and brighter than I could have ever imagined. Thank you for loving me for who I am and accepting all of me. I promise to always accept you for who you are and respect you as my husband. I promise to love you deeply forever. I give my heart to you, my love, and my life until the day I die. I choose you today. I chose you yesterday. I will continue to choose you tomorrow and every day for the rest of our lives. I love you so much.
And if you wonder about the spell I'm